When you need a refund from a PayPal transaction, there are two main paths: refunds and disputes that may lead to chargebacks. A refund is when the seller voluntarily returns your money, often through PayPal's messaging system. If the seller refuses or doesn't respond, you can open a dispute within 180 days of the transaction. Disputes are formal complaints for issues like item not received, item not as described, or unauthorized transaction due to fraud. If PayPal rules in your favor, you'll get reimbursed through their buyer protection, which covers eligible purchases up to $2,500 as of 2025. Chargebacks are a last resort where you contact your bank to reverse the payment. PayPal provides evidence to the bank, but the bank's decision is final, and timelines are longer, typically 60 to 120 days. To file a dispute, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to your transaction history. Once you locate the transaction in your activity feed, click on Report a Problem or Open a Dispute to begin the process. Next, select the appropriate reason for your dispute from the available options. Then, provide detailed information about the issue and upload any supporting evidence, such as photos or receipts. Once submitted, the seller has 10 days to respond to your dispute. If they need more time, they can request an extension to 20 days by providing evidence. After the seller responds, PayPal reviews the entire case and makes a final decision. This review process typically takes up to 30 days. Here are the key timelines to remember. You must file your dispute within 180 days of the transaction. The seller responds within 10 to 20 days, and PayPal makes a final decision within 30 days. If the dispute remains unresolved, you can escalate it to a chargeback through your bank. This process takes 60 to 120 days and involves your financial institution reviewing the case. Keeping track of these deadlines is crucial for a successful outcome in your PayPal dispute.